చట్టం అది చీకటి చట్టం. ఆ చట్టాన్ని రద్దు చేయాలని గత 60 రోజులుగా
న్యాయవాది మిత్రులందరికీ
బాయ్కట్ చేస్తున్నాం.
ఈ రాష్ట్రంలో నుండి విభిన్న ప్రాంతాల నుంచి వచ్చినట్టున్న న్యాయవాద సోదరులారా, మీ అందరికీ నా నమస్కారాలు. ఇది మీకు ఆట విడిపోవటం కోసం నా న్యాయవాది మిత్రులు ఎక్కడున్నా సరే లోపల నుంచి బయటకు వచ్చి నా ఈ పద్యాన్ని విని నన్ను సంతోషపరచాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నా. విక్రమాదులు నిజమో ఒక బాలిని గెలవలేదా ఎంతయు దృశ్యమో It is sin on the part of them. When they are enacting the acts, they must know how it is possible, how is it not possible. Without any deliberation, without any discussion, you are enacting and dilly-dallying the procedure. How to deal with the pathetic situation now situated in our country, in our state is very, very bad. The main organs, the executive, judiciary and the legislature, they have to act within their purview. The dereliction and abdication of powers is much in the executive rather than comparing with the judiciary. Judiciary has got such unique personality and it's got impartiality in passing orders. What is the locus standi of these particular land officers? Simply because they hold that they are IAS and IPS officers, or they are competent to deal with the rights and titles of the property? No, not at all. Unless and until they have the knowledge in law, they have no manner of right. The advocates who are working, who practice in the profession 40, 50 and 60 years, they are unable to come to a conclusion where the title is and to whom the title has to be given. And even the courts are hesitating to give an orders like that. How the MROs and the RTOs and the joint collectors with the capacity of title research officers and with these writing officers, they cannot deal with this issue. So, with this, time is very limited. I have to confine myself and I invite all the advocates to come over and give their opinions on this issue.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
అదే విధంగా